What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video, and man, I said I'm not gonna do any more raffles, but these Jackie Robinson dunks is kind of crazy. So yeah, here for a live raffle. I am here in, I think, what, Redondo Beach, Torrance? I don't know, but here at least. Let's go see what happens. So of course, these dunks do have a lot of value. They are dope as hell as well. So we got a ton of people here. Ton of people trying to get in on the raffle. I have no clue how it's gonna go. I know I'm gonna take an L though. I already know I'm not gonna win, but I figured I'd get some video for y'all. Let's see what happens. I think I got 15 minutes until they do the raffle. 3:30 today, I think that's when the raffle is on. So got a pretty big line. Let's go. Let's get in. Huge line here. Holy crap, huge line. They got a ton of stuff. Got the Union Cortezes too. That's what's up. We'll take a look after this. All right, I did have to dub you guys because music was just way too loud down the DJ. But you did have to buy a Jackie Robinson t-shirt if you did win. I did go ahead and grab my ticket, and then we had to look around. Because they did have some dope stuff. They had the Union Cortezes readily available. That was pretty crazy. They have the sesame colorway right here. Material on these is just ridiculous. Material is fantastic on them. I'm not digging the colors, but material just super amazing. These black ones, I kind of like this colorway a little bit better, but I don't know. I thought about it, but I just couldn't pull the trigger. Had to let them stay because yeah, those were like $1.82 or something, right? Like they weren't cheap. But yeah, they did have these dunks. I think they were grade school if I remember, because they was what, $90. They had these bad boys as well. I hadn't seen these like anywhere else. I feel like this is one of the few places that actually have those. They also had the Big Bangs. That was pretty crazy to have these still available. That is pretty insane. They go for like $240 or something. Did have the Prestos, the Hello Kitty Prestos. Those are sold out almost everywhere else. So I thought that was interesting. Their selection, not bad. Not bad. It was packed as hell, so I didn't get a chance to just look around everywhere. But I try to give you guys as much footage as possible. And yeah, you had to buy one of these dunks. They trying to do that to prevent the resellers from coming out, but anything with resale. All right, got a few minutes left. I guess we just chill and wait, see what happens. Man, going on the streets. All right, we're starting, and
I'm waiting for those cars. You guys got to get out of the street.
Dang it. They've been calling names. No luck, man. Damn. Off by 5. It's not looking good, man, because they've already called a bunch of names. They won't even have my size if they pick me. Damn. All right, they just made an announcement. Grade school only. And I don't really need grade school. All right, only size 4s left. I left. I'm leaving. I'm done.
Wait, what size did you say you left?
All right, we got one last stop before I head home. Do got Millennium Shoes out in Inglewood. Let's look around. Looks like this is their Jordan section. Okay, things have calmed down. Last time I came here, they had all kinds of stuff. Do got some ones right here, some lows. Okay. Couple of highs. We've seen these, the bleach corals at a few spots. And then the Volt. What are these called? I forgot what these are called. Whatever. Yeah, they got these here. They got the Billie Eilish Air Force Ones. I remember calling them some other stuff some random time. That was funny. One of the videos got the mids. We saw these at the outlets. These are some Air Force One mids. Got that premium leather. These are what, 130, I think? 150 with that extra premium price tag. 180 for these. I don't know what size it is though, but the Billie Eilish Air Force One highs, man. Extra premium. Got these LeBrons. These are sold out almost everywhere. That's pretty fire. These are like $2 bills though. $229 to $230. Got these. Got the 2019s. Got 3 different colorways of those. Okay. Do got a sale section here. Look, 70% off. but nothing too exciting to be really honest. For women, 25% off of these, so 220, 25%. That's actually pretty decent. Got some elements here as well. Okay. So they just got slides. These NMD 70% off. Oh, these are 30% off, so maybe up to 70% off. Is that their thing? Okay. Checking out the kids or women's kids section, I guess. But yeah, they got the Lisa Leslie's here. This is a women's size 7. That's pretty dope, man. I've seen this at a couple spots today. That's kind of interesting. Dang. All right, these not as good as the SBs, but these are better than the regular Dunks. These definitely seem better than the typical Dunks. Okay, maybe it's in my head, but I feel like the leather up front is a little nicer. They got these in gray skull. These are fire. The color combination on these, man. I think it's sail with the black lining right there. That's actually fire, man. $170 for those. Is this a women's? Just a women's. Safari Air Max 90s going for $140 right here. Okay. Got these Air Force Ones with some freaking, what is this? Some snakeskin. $105 for these. That midsole's kind of crazy too. Some Velvet Air Max 90s. These going for $130. In the kids section, look at this. All the Vans going for 50% off. Okay. I don't know what the prices normally are. What, $60 normally? 65. So 50% off all this. That's actually a really good deal. Oh, this is the grade school, by the way. I forgot to mention that. Grade school got some grade school Dunks right here. Going for $100. Uno Air Force Ones for the kiddos. Okay. Plenty of Jordans in the grade school. We've seen that at quite a few spots now, but selection really good for grade school. And then we got the Chili Reds right here, the Jordan 9 Chili Reds. Then we got these that just released. Did this just release today? I think they just released today. Those are women, and then got these Dunks right here. So decent selection. Then we got the Chili Reds right here, the Jordan 9 Chili Reds. Then we got these that just released. Did this just release today? I think they just released today. Those are women, and then got these Dunks right here. So decent selection. All right, pretty quick trip. I think this vlog's gonna be kind of short. Did take an L. This is a pretty decent spot though. Might be worth a stop if you guys are pretty close. All right, let's wrap it up. All right, guys, that pretty much was it. Laced out in the South Bay. They have a pretty dope shop. I've gone there, I think, one other time. I need to start going there a little bit more because, man, they get everything. They get every release. So does Millennium Shoes. They get everything as well. They do in-store raffles as well. And yeah, I need to start visiting a few of them a little bit more to show you guys, give you guys a little more variety and stuff like that. Pretty dope shops. Saw a bunch of stuff that sold out everywhere else. The Union Cortez, for them to have those, that's pretty insane. Those sold out everywhere instantly. Even at Union, they sold out hella quick. I thought they would be readily available for a while at Union, but apparently not. Apparently not. That was definitely interesting. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out these stores on Instagram. Make sure you follow them on Instagram. They do talk about how they release their sneakers, their raffles and stuff like that. They talk about that on their Instagram, and they do lives. I know Lace does lives to show what's in the stores and stuff like that. So that is pretty interesting. I hope you guys have been paying attention to your Nike apps and stuff. Nike having a pretty big sale online. Nike.com as well as on the Nike app. They had LeBron's under $100. They had a couple different colorways of LeBron's under $100. They had Kyrie's for under like $60 after, I think they already having a sale, and then they have an additional 20% off. They have some really good stuff. I haven't checked the apparel and stuff like that. I already piled on a bunch of stuff from East Bay. I have a bunch of stuff coming from East Bay. Got some really good hoodies and stuff like that. So I really don't want any more apparel, especially hoodies. Maybe some t-shirts. I need some more t-shirts and stuff like that. But yeah, there's plenty of deals right now. I seen a bunch of the boutique stores also having their sales and stuff this week, it looks like, because they're getting rid of all the summer things, and I guess they're getting ready for the fall and the winter. because they're always, you know, season ahead or something like that. But yeah, plenty of deals out there. Remember, don't go in debt, you guys. Don't go in debt. Make sure you guys, if you have some spending money, that's cool. But if not, don't throw stuff on your credit card, because right now is just not a good time. I've been saying, hey, the economy is going to get worse, and we're really close. We're really close, guys. So hope you guys are doing okay. Hope you guys are saving some dough and stuff like that. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Definitely appreciate you watching my videos. Definitely appreciate you guys supporting this tiny little channel. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. But yeah, I got plenty coming. Help our boy out. Press that like button. And if you don't, press the dislike. I don't really care. It is what it is. But yeah, make sure you guys go ahead, press something, leave some comments. And yeah, if you like the channel, go ahead, press that subscribe button, click on that notification bell. Plenty of videos. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I might be headed to Northern California later this week. Might be able to get some videos from there, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, got plenty coming, guys. See you guys next one. Peace.
Yeah.